Hello, PE scholars. This is Magister Beck, and Magister Cole and myself would just like to give you guys a little update on SOL PE. Now that you guys are going to full-time distance learning starting Monday, November 9th, you guys are in charge of getting us that physical education form every week to let us know what you are doing for physical activity at home. Now, we made a FIAD calendar for you guys to reference at or look at, and it's broken down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And for the SOL PE scholars, you guys only have to do FIAD like 3 days a week. And SOR obviously does it 5 days a week. But SOL, we want you to work out at least two, preferably 3 days a week. And you can reference that PE calendar for activities to do. Otherwise, as long as you guys are doing some kind of physical activity, whether it's raking the backyard with mom and dad, shoveling the driveway, vacuuming the house, going to volleyball practice or gymnastics practice or football practice, just let us know what you're doing for physical activity and then jot that down on that PE form and send it back to whoever your teacher is, Magister Cole or myself, Magister Beck. And if you can't figure out finding or downloading that PE form on Infinite Campus, which we post it every week for you guys, just shoot us an email and we'll send it to you individually. And if you still can't figure it out, just at least email us or contact us so we know what you guys are doing for physical activity. Besides that, I think that's about it. Oh, we can't meet with you guys. You're supposed to be running your normal, regular school days while you're on distance learning. So if you're, let's say, 2L, third hour FIED, we're not going to be able to meet with you at that time because we are still doing grammar physical education, and that runs from the morning all the way to school ends with recess, and they have a couple FIED classes during the day. So we're just going to have to touch base on Wednesdays for the SOL PE scholars. So for that, let's say you are a 2L, you would meet us third hour, which is going to be 8:30 to 8:45. They're just 15-minute increments on Wednesdays just to touch base, see if you guys have any questions, take attendance, give you guys a heads up on stuff. So third hour 2L would be 8:30 to 8:45. Fourth hour 3L's 8:45 to 9. Fifth hour 4L, yeah, 2L, 3L. Fifth hour 4L is 9 to 9:15. And then obviously the 1Ls, the distance learners and whatnot, would meet us on Wednesdays from 9:30 to 9:45. So we'll touch base on those days and just see if you guys have any questions, and we'll answer those questions at that time. But other than that, like I said, you can reference the PE calendar for activities and ideas that Magister Cole and myself came up with. Otherwise, just email us on what you guys are doing so we know you're doing something physically active at home to stay healthy and fit. Other than that, we look forward to hearing from you guys, and hopefully this stuff gets over with soon so we can be back on campus. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll be hearing from you guys later. See ya.